Elijah, is it? Am I audible?
Yeah, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon.
Yeah.
I'm guessing we're going to have a short attendees list today, being Christmas and everything. So let's start, actually.
All right,
Uh,
you can proceed.
oh, it'll be more of a one-to-one conversation at this point, but let's go ahead. Welcome to the community, if I already haven't said that. I got your message, by the way, saying that you filled your form. I'll be sure to
Yes.
check on that really soon.
All right, thank you.
Great. What are you interested in? What do you work with?
What did you say?
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
It's not clear. Let me try to connect again.
Oh, okay. Okay. Hey, Elijah, are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
Great. So I was asking, what do you work with? What do you want to learn? What do you want to do?
Like presently, like I'm working with JavaScript, and I'm just learning React JS. That's React JavaScript React.
Hmm.
So
Nice.
that's the framework I'm just learning how to work with.
Nice. That's pretty good. Um,
Yeah.
so basically front end.
What do you say?
So basically as a whole, you work more on front end.
Like I'm just learning, so I'm trying to be like full stack. I want to learn full stack. I
Hmm.
can make the client side and the server side and the back end side too.
Right. Nice. All right. Let me introduce the Layer 5 side projects to you then. You said you're learning React, I think, and that you work with
Yes,
JS.
yes.
Okay, so if you want to get started with React, we do have a side project currently going on, which is the Layer 5
Oh,
NG project. And it's
okay,
in production. People are working on it pretty steadily, so you'll be able to get in and help, I think.
okay.
It's great. It's built on React, and it currently is being built on a framework called Gatsby.
I'm not like it's kind of breaking on my end. Yeah, I'm not hearing clearly.
Oh, all right. Any better now?
Okay, now I can hear a bit now.
Great. All right. So if you're working with React or if you want to work with React, one of the current side projects is Layer 5 NG, and people are steadily working on it, so you'll be able to get on pretty quickly. It's built
Okay,
with JS and another framework called Gatsby.
all
It
right.
should be an easy learn there. This is the
Yeah,
current site and still being worked on, and it's about to be launched in the new year, hopefully. But we'll
okay.
continue to work on it to improve things, to just make things
Like,
better, I hope. Yeah.
so before I cut you, like, do you mean I can learn on this layer 5? This thing I showing on your screen.
Yep. This is great.
Okay. All right. That's impressive.
Great. All right. You'll
Yeah.
find a link to the site in the meeting minutes as well. You should be able to
Oh,
access this, by the way. I'll send a link in the chat as well.
oh,
All right. Merry Christmas, by the way. If I already haven't said that, do you celebrate Christmas?
yeah. Mm.
Uh, Eliza?
Yes, I'm listening.
No. Do you celebrate Christmas?
Yes, I do.
Nice. So big plans for the week?
Not much. Just still working personally on my. That's the time I'm still working or still learning. That's it.
That's nice. All right. Yeah. So I was talking about Layer 5 NG. There's a link to it in the chat. There's a link to the meeting minutes in the chat, and there's a link to the
Okay,
site in the meeting minutes. You should be able to access it.
I'll get it.
Um,
I'll get it.
Great. Also, if you want to look up issues in it, repo is on Layer 5 under a branch called Layer 5 NG. I can actually show it to you. We don't have
Okay.
anything much else. Just a second.
Okay.
All right. So on the Layer 5 repo, there's a branch called Layer 5 NG, which currently holds the entire source code for this particular website. Please do go there. Please go explore it. Please go look at it. And you should be able to find a couple of open issues that you can take
Okay.
up.
Okay.
If you don't find anything, please do ping me or Josh or Tanuj, and I'll actually write down their names. That it'll be easier for you.
All right.
All right. Hey, we have somebody else with us. Hey, Joseph.
Okay.
If you can speak up, that would be great.
Should I? Do you mean me?
No, no, no. I meant the other person, Joseph, on the
Oh.
call.
Uh,
Okay, good afternoon. Sorry.
No issues. Hey. Merry Christmas, by the way.
Sorry?
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you.
All right. Are you joining us for the first time? I don't think you are.
No, I'm not joining for the first time.
All right. Have you found something to work on yet?
Uh,
I think this
I've
is your
not been.
second or third meeting.
Yeah, I've not been active there recently. I've been working on
Mm-hmm.
some other.
Oh, nice. All right. What do you do?
A front end developer. I use
Nice.
React.
We have another person with us who also works in front end, Elijah. That's
yeah,
nice.
yeah. Yes.
All right. So as I was saying, we currently have a project on that is based on React and JS and runs on Gatsby that you can contribute to, which is Layer 5 NG. The other four side projects are more based towards JS and not React and run on a platform called Shekel, which is a static site generator. Should be fairly easy to set up. We also have guides for that, so again, should be fairly easy. And that's it. The repos are similarly named on Layer 5, so they should be easy to find. Um, can I help you in any other way? Both of you?
Okay.
Elijah, Joseph, can I help you in any other way except for the site?
No,
No, no.
I my way through it. Don't worry.
All right. That's great.
Yeah.
Joseph, Elijah, I don't know if you have meshmates, but you can have meshmates. So we have a current ongoing program called meshmates, which are basically mentors to get you through the first awkward phase of get understanding the projects and understanding the community and finding a corner to work in. So if you want one, go look at the page, go pick out one, and go ask them to be a mentor on the Newcomers channel. I'm more than sure that they will reply, and you'll have a mentor.
Okay, that will be fine.
Nice. All right. Another thing that I can introduce to you is our projects, but I won't go too much into detail right now or on this call. If you want to try out the central project, we have hands-on tutorials. The central project is something called Meshry, which is a service mesh management plane. And I really don't think it would be helpful to explain what exactly it does or how exactly it functions on this particular call. To understand that better, you are very, very welcome to join us for the Meshry Dev Call, which happens on Thursday. I'm so sorry, on Wednesday.
All
And
right.
that's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure. If you want to go try out Meshry without doing anything to your own system, go try out these hands-on tutorials. There's a link in the
Okay.
meeting minutes, and that's it. That's all I can ramble about. Is there anything else that you want to ask?
No,
Uh,
no.
I mean, I want to ask a question. Are you there?
Go on.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay, in choosing, first of all, when I did my first commit, when I first contributed on Layer 5, it was on HTML stuff. I did some changes. So the reason why I've not been active is that the project is kind of confusing for me. But I'm glad that you over led me to meet the merge. So I think I will meet Ruth Ikadi to on some other stuff. So the project there, you have the face of I think Python or Java. So you have React, you have JS, so you have other programming language and other frameworks. In going to the GitHub pages, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Going to the GitHub pages, choosing a file to work on is kind of confusing for me. I don't know if you
Mm-hmm.
can give me something to read on so I'll be able to understand Mosh means very well.
All right. Let me understand it. You basically want me to help you understand which languages are being used in individual projects so that you can pick one.
Ye- Yes, yes, yes.
All right. All right. I'll give you a run through. So if you're talking about individual projects or if you're talking about individual tasks that are going on, Meshry is built on Golang and Rust, and also the UI is built with React. So that is also something that you can contribute to. Uh, Meshry is a project which has a command line, which is also built in Golang. And if you are actually learning Go, that is a good way to start out. Apart from that, I already explained the side projects, but moving on from that, we don't really have anything going on for Python and Java, as far as I know. We do have another project that holds out a little bit of hope for C++, but you'll
No.
have to have a basic understanding of Golang for that as well.
Okay.
Um, Apart from that, I don't really think we have any central projects that run on any of the frameworks, apart from the front-end stacks or the web dev stacks. Does that answer your question?
Yes, yes, yes. I really appreciate.
Yeah. All right. Anything else?
No, that'll be fine for now.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me ask you a question, please.
Sure.
Can I go on?
I'm sorry.
Can I go on? Can I go on?
Can you jump off the call? Of course.
Are you there?
Yeah, I am.
All right. Like you were talking about Meshi and Layer 5. They are different, right?
Oh, so Metri is a project under Layer 5. Layer 5 is the central organization.
Okay.
which has let me show it to you. All right, so this is the current site, which we are currently moving on to Layer 5 NG. So
Okay.
these are the projects under Layer 5. Layer 5 is sort of like an umbrella organization for these particular projects. Mesh3 is the central project, and
Okay.
all the rest of them are connected in some way or the other.
Okay.
Hope that makes sense.
Yes, yes. You were talking about Meshi that time. For someone to work on Meshi, the person has to know a bit of Go language, right?
To work on the code, yes, you need to be familiar with either Golang or Rust or a lot of other things, but yeah.
All right. All right. Thank
Work
you.
in the UI, you need to be familiar with React. So that is also something you can contribute to.
Okay, that is for the front end of Meshi.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anytime.
Mm.
All right. If neither of you have any other questions, please feel free to leave the call. Go have a nice Christmas. Go have a nice New Year.
All right. Thank you too.
Anything? Joseph, same for you. If you don't have any other questions, that's it, I guess. Have
Okay,
a
I
Merry
can sign.
Christmas. Sorry.
Merry Christmas. Bye.
Bye. Have a Merry Christmas.